Ever been told, just call me on my 8x8 number, and you're left scratching your head, wondering, what on earth is an 8x8 number? Is it some secret code? A fancy new area code? Or just another tech term designed to make us feel outdated? Well, you're not alone. The world of modern communication is a maze, and sometimes, even the most common phrases can sound like they're from a sci-fi movie. Think about it. We've gone from landlines with rotary dials to smartphones that fit in our pockets. And now, we're navigating the realm of cloud-based communication. But what does that even mean? It's easy to get lost in the jargon with terms like VoIP, unified communications, and, yes, 8x8 numbers. So, let's break it down, shall we? Before we dive into the specifics of 8x8 numbers, let's set the stage. Imagine a business, any business. It could be a small startup, a bustling call center, or a multinational corporation. They need to communicate, right? They need to talk to customers, collaborate with employees, and manage their operations efficiently. In the old days, that meant a complex network of phone lines, expensive hardware, and dedicated IT staff. But times have changed. Now, businesses are moving to the cloud, and that's where 8x8 comes in. 8x8 is a company that provides cloud-based communication solutions. Think of it as a one-stop shop for all your communication needs, delivered over the internet. And one of the key components of their offering, you guessed it, 8x8 phone numbers. So what exactly is an 8x8 phone number? Simply put, it's a phone number provided by 8x8's cloud-based communication platform. Instead of being tied to a physical phone line or a specific location, it's tied to your 8x8 account. This means you can make and receive calls from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Think of it like this. Traditional phone numbers are like physical addresses. They're tied to a specific location. 8x8 numbers, on the other hand, are like email addresses. They're tied to your account, not your location. This flexibility is a game changer for businesses, especially those with remote employees or multiple offices. Now, you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, it all comes down to a technology called VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol. VoIP converts your voice into digital data, which is then transmitted over the internet. When you make a call using an 8x8 number, your voice is sent as data packets to the recipient's phone, whether it's another 8x8 number, a traditional landline, or a mobile phone. This offers several advantages. First, it's cost-effective. Because you're using the internet, you can avoid the high costs associated with traditional phone lines, especially for long-distance and international calls. Second, it's scalable. You can easily add or remove phone numbers as your business grows or shrinks. Third, it's feature-rich. 8x8 offers a wide range of features, including call routing, voicemail, call recording, and more. Let's take a closer look at some of these features. Call routing, for example, allows you to direct incoming calls to the right person or department. You can set up rules based on the time of day, the caller's location, or other criteria. This ensures that your customers always get the help they need, quickly and efficiently. Voicemail is another essential feature. With 8x8, you can access your voicemail from anywhere, and you can even have your voicemail messages transcribed and sent to your email. This saves you time and ensures that you never miss an important message. Call recording is also a valuable tool, especially for businesses that need to track customer interactions or train their employees. With 8x8, you can record calls and store them securely in the cloud. You can then access these recordings later for review or analysis. But the benefits of 8x8 numbers go beyond just cost savings and features. They also offer enhanced mobility and flexibility. With 8x8, you can use your phone number on any device, including your computer, smartphone, or tablet. This means you can stay connected, even when you're on the go. Imagine you're a sales representative who's traveling for a conference. With 8x8, you can still answer calls from your office number, even if you're thousands of miles away. This allows you to stay in touch with your customers and close deals, no matter where you are. Or imagine you're a small business owner who's working from home. With 8x8, you can use your home computer as your office phone, and you can even set up a virtual receptionist to answer calls and route them to the appropriate person. This gives your business a professional image, even if you don't have a physical office. Now, let's talk about the different types of 8 by 8 numbers. 8 by 8 offers a variety of phone numbers to meet the needs of different businesses. These include local numbers, toll-free numbers, and international numbers. Local numbers are phone numbers with a local area code. They allow you to establish a local presence in a specific region, which can be important for businesses that want to target customers in a particular area. Toll-free numbers, on the other hand, are phone numbers that customers can call for free. They're often used by businesses that want to provide excellent customer service and make it easy for customers to reach them. International numbers allow you to expand your business globally. With 8 by 8, you can get phone numbers in countries all over the world, which allows you to establish a presence in new markets and reach new customers. In addition to these standard phone numbers, 8 by 8 also offers virtual numbers. Virtual numbers are phone numbers that are not tied to a specific location. They can be used to forward calls to any phone number, anywhere in the world. This is useful for businesses that want to have a presence in multiple locations without having to set up physical offices. So, to recap, an 8 by 8 phone number is a phone number provided by 8x8's cloud-based communication platform. It's tied to your 8 by 8 account, not your location, and it allows you to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. It offers cost savings, scalability, and a wide range of features, including call routing, voicemail, and call recording. It's important to understand that 8x8 is a major player in the Unified Communications as a Service (UCaaS) market. They provide a comprehensive suite of cloud-based communication and collaboration tools that go beyond just phone numbers. This includes video conferencing, team messaging, and contact center solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.